Hello friend, and welcome back to another video. This is potentially the coolest video I have ever had the chance to film, and it is so exciting. I'm gonna give you a room tour of our room on Necker Island. I am just about to head to dinner. I haven't been intending on filming this video all week, but the week is so packed here. Like a day is just like 7 days in one worth of activities. So the room is a hot mess, so I will just like preface this video with that. So our room is located down a cliff from the main great house. We have the water over here, a few beautiful boats. Then we come over to our patio, which I will show you in a moment. Before we're going to go into the bedroom. They have coffee and tea and a fully stocked bar with all the things that you could possibly want, all included, including the very famous Necker Island champagne. It is his own brand of champagne, which is so freaking cool. I have my vision board, which I created today, which is very exciting. Then we come over to the view. We have a nice large lounger out to the right. We have not lounged a single time because we've just been up to a lot of activities here. Then we have another seating area. Beautiful out on the patio. Then we come back through here and into the bathroom like so. Gorgeous. Also, you might notice no shower in here because it's outdoors. This is our amazing outdoor shower. We come in here for like 5-second showers between activities. And again, beautiful view down onto the beach. That is off in the distance. Another one of the rooms, that is the temple. And the temple is where they created the elders group there, which I can see from my shower. So yeah. All of the items, if you're wondering, are from Aromatherapy Associates in London. And then back out to where we came from. Hope you enjoyed the room tour. If you want more Necker Island content, be sure to click subscribe, click the bell button so you'll be notified. I have a few more videos coming out on what I've been learning and some massive takeaways which I've had from this trip.